To wire the paper wheat, make a slight bend to match the cut. Glue in place and let dry. Shape with a metal ball tool on a shaping mat, applying pressure in a circle and then pulling out in a straight line to the end. Pinch each grain at the base and fold up slightly. For each head of wheat, cut 11 tiny strips of paper 2 inches long. Use your fingernail or a tool to straighten the little paper curls. Dip your paper strip into a puddle of fast-drying glue and brush the glue to the tip of each grain. Hold each piece in place until the glue takes hold. This takes a little practice, but it's where the amazing texture comes from. And you can skip this, but I think it looks amazing with it. Add some curl to the strips with your fingernail. I like to add 3 wheat heads together with floral tape in order to add them to an arrangement.